Assalamu alaikum. This is Aisha Parvez and I am the member of PQ Research and Development. I hope you all are fine and you have cleared your all concepts in my previous session, in my previous lectures, and today I will going to start my next lecture. The next topic is 10 ways to promote your communication skills and your language. Okay, today I will teach you and I will give you the session of all these 10 communication language promoting ways and how can you get your communication skills improve and promote to other person. Okay, and first question, when I was searching material about this topic and I was learn to more and more for giving you the concept about this topic, and in my starting searching I have find out the first question, that is why promote language and communication skills to others. Okay, this is the basic and logical questions comes out about this topic, and then when I have searched a lot, almost and 2 or 3 days of my effort, I have find out the material and the concept about this topic, and that will be very helpful for me and also now for all of you. Okay, and now early language and communication skills are very important in the starting early age of children's language, and it is very important thing. Why it is very important thing? The starting age of the students, it is very helpful when they are growing up day by day. They can build their talent and the communication skills. Okay, and the language and the communication skills include the ability to understand the others. For example, the receptive language to express oneself, to express your facial expressions using words, gestures, and children who develop strong language and communication skills are more likely to arrive at school to ready to learn. Like हम लोगों के लिए from previous to और आप सब लोग almost जो हो आफ्टर मैट्रिक यहाँ पर सेशन के लिए हो, so nowadays children are growing up in private schools. The important and the basic logic they have learned and get admissions, the basic thing is the important learning English. So जो early age में students का के स्टार्ट में उनको इंग्लिश की डेवलपमेंट उनके माइंड में बिल्ड कर दी जाती है, सो उनका ग्रोइंग एज में डे बाय डे मैट्रिक लेवल तक कितना बेटर फ्लुएंट आ जाता है. सो अब इस सोसाइटी में अब नाउ डेज हमारी करंट सिचुएशन में इसीलिए स्टूडेंट्स को स्टार्टिंग में ही नर्सरी से ही उनके ग्रेड एंड रिसेप्शन स्टूडेंट्स उनकी ये बेसिक रीज़न ये है कि चिल्ड्रंस को जब आप स्टार्टिंग में ही इंग्लिश के लिए माइंड को बिल्डअप कर दोगे, उनका माइंड इस चीज़ के लिए डेवलप कर दोगे, they can learn better than from yourself. So during the first years of life, the brains are developing rapidly and laying foundation for the learning. And the interaction of students with adults, the foundation of interaction and children have, how they can learn and develop their mind. Because in growing age, the mind level is always also growing. So as a result, early childhood children's educators have a prime opportunity to provide children with interactions that can support children's growth and development practically. In my past years research, when teachers provide children with high level of language during the first year of life, children have better than language and communication skills. When teacher asks children questions, respond to their vocalizations and engage into other positive talk, children learn and use more words. A study found that one-third of the language interactions between teachers and students and their children were the type of sports children and develop, while other two-thirds includes less complex language such as directions, general praise, and the language interactions between children and adults provide children with the kids of experiences that can foster their growth in language and communication. So, reason of behind it to giving the concept of this topic, so many questions comes out from there, from your session when you are listen my previous videos, and the first question comes out in your mind. We have vocabulary. We have all concepts of English, but we can't present our English speaking in front of other persons. So here is the basic reason we didn't learn in the earlier age English language. So don't worry, you can build your talent, you can build your speaking and communication skills with practice. So I think it can be very helpful. Not I think, I am sure. So please be practice more and more making your audios, and in my next session, in my next lecture, I will give you the practical session. There you can learn and clear your concepts about lack of hesitation of your speaking language and communication skills for making your statement. So please don't be afraid to ask questions to me. If you have any question, then you can ask me very friendly. I feel proud when you ask me the question, because my main purpose for giving you the lecture, clear your concepts. Okay, so please do effort with yourself and gain very informative material, informative concepts about your course. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum, this is Aisha Parvez and I am the member of PQ Research and Development. Today I will tell you about how can you improve your vocabulary and how can you learn new vocabulary for making your statement, for clear your conversation and convey your material to the other person. So please listen to this lecture very carefully. Okay, and the basic thing is, in the vocabulary, English has a large vocabulary with an estimated words. So there are so many times to many things, and the one word has so many things, many meanings. So however, most of the English teachers will tell you the mastering 3000 words, almost common words you have to learn and get into it in your mind for learning and the clearing your conceptual study to maintain your vocabulary. So you will easily learn the context and expand your vocabulary as you go. The important thing is using your right word to learn, and then you can gain your comprehension quickly and don't waste your time. Go. So one of the most effective way to important thing in the English vocabulary studies. Study is to start with the most common word. In the most common word, use a dictionary and resources to look up the meaning or find out the other words that you know, and either paper and based online like a still of the most effective way to learn new words. The key of memorizing English vocabulary I will show you in my practical that once after firstly before giving you the my next practical, I will clear the first thing in your mind that once you have a master's the short vocabulary list, you can move on the one comprehension so rememberable. Although that you want to learn and English, then speaker has a vocabulary almost 20,000 words or more. So then learning, so if you want to learn your vocabulary, then you have to get almost 300 words. Keep it into your mind. So in the frequency you won't find out the vocabulary. When if you have vocabulary, then you can easily make your statement. And meaning of making the statement, you have to clear your concept of your learning English, and when you have cleared your concept, then easily you can convey your material to the other person. So please read more and more English newspaper, English books, and watching cartoons and listen some audios of musics. So there you can get many informative words of vocabulary which they are using in your routine and regular conversation. Okay, and get my next session and the next part of this session. You have cleared the vocabulary concept, and you also get the some basic words of vocabulary where you can use in your statement. Okay, I have some basic vocabulary for you to learn English. First of all, in the starting of your day, when you will meet someone and you shake hand and topic starting to your conversation, Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam, how are you, and all these things is called greetings. Or your meeting, the starting conversation in one word, you can say that is the greeting. Okay, and second, when you will take something to the other person, you have to say thank you. And when you done wrong anything, you have to say sorry, like I will not do it again. And four, when you ask something to the other person, you have the word excuse me. And when you want to help about someone, so you can ask how are you. And someone other person asks you about your health, and you say I am good. I am good, I am perfect, I am excellent. Okay, and you are not good, then you can say I am not feeling better. Sorry. And when you complete and you're done your conversation, then you can say, okay, see you soon. Here are so many other words where you can get your vocabulary and you can make your statement. These are very common words that will be the use in your routine conversation to the other person. Greetings, assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam, how are you? That all the other things you can use in your statement. And the thank you, you know very well how when you will say thank you. And sorry, I will not do it again. Excuse me is the question when you want to ask something to the other person. And how are you? Okay, and you can say the other statement of how are you. How have you been? How have you been is the same meaning of how are you. Okay, and I am good, I am perfect, I am excellent. Okay, and then next, when you feel it, if you feel better, then you can say I am feeling better. And when you will done your meeting to the other person, then you can say okay, see you soon. So here is the some basic vocabulary to learn English. When you, if you want to clear your maintain your vocabulary, then you have to get to listen some more videos and basic thing, read more and more newspaper. These type of words making your statement and very helpful for continue your statement, continue to your conversation. If you have vocabulary, then you can learn speak very fluently. Okay, these are very simple words that you can use in your routine conversation. And these words have so many alternative words, like how are you is the alternative word how have you been. Okay, and like thank you. Thank you, the here is the alternative word of thank you. Yes, it is very grateful for me, and I will never forget to the meeting with you. So you can read out from so many other alternative words, find out and research out in the newspaper, in some movies. So kindly note down these words and find out more and more vocabulary word to with your effort. Okay, so at the end of this lecture, my same words, my same advice for you, please practice. So practice makes a man perfect. Okay, thank you.